Welcome to all of you, online computer science. Today we are going to conduct and we are going to learn about one of the computer subject from chapter 1. Before moving towards, I would like to share one of the concept. As you know that I am going to deliver you a lecture and you are listening me without any response. So in the language of computer science, that will known as simplex. Mainly you use television and uh, change the channels without any interruption, and it doesn't reply you responsive. It means whenever you win one type of communication, only from your side is going to communicating to the other device, and it doesn't gives you response reply, that will known as simplex. And one is that half duplex. Half duplex is that where you can communicate with other persons, but at the same time only one person can hear and one person can send messages to others. Other messages, it means to hearing. That is, these are those devices which perform their functions once a person at a time. So if one is going to send their hearing messages, then others have to stop their talking and to listening, start their listening. So these type of communication devices are known as half duplex. I would like to show you one of the third communication, that is full duplex. That is full duplex whenever we communicate both person at the same time. That if we are using a mobile communication and at the same time both person can hear, can speak at the same time, these are devices, they are those known as full duplex. So in between these three communications, what is going to be happen now? Now the question is that, so give me the question, students, what is going to be held between three devices? You have given 1 minute and you can give me answer. If you have given answers, then you can send me messages to the WhatsApp or YouTube and give me the answers. Now I'm going to show you another. These basically, that is one type of questionnaire from you, and I would like to explain you what is this question. Means step by step listening the questions and after delivery of points for understanding to others is called discussion. Now here is another question, where to discuss. Anytime you can discuss, where to discuss, where more than one person can hear and understand easily. And fourth concept is how to discuss. It means the answer is first listening the person and after waiting to answer the point. Why we discuss sharing of knowledge and gaining information, that's why we use to discuss. So amongst these five questions, again my question is that what is the meaning of that whole topics? Basically these are the fundamental units for communication. In fifth questions, and which I told you earlier, simplex, half duplex, and full duplex. Both concepts are going to communicate. In the simplex, half duplex, full duplex, one person is going to communicate to the devices, and in the discussion, you are going to communicate man to man. So, what is going to be communicated by the person to the devices and to the man to man? So, between happening, that is known as information. So, it means information is going to be communicated between devices and to the main. So here is, if we communicate with the help of technology, how to we communicate, and where is the role where we use technology. These two three concepts, simplex, half duplex, and full duplex, we have shared, but now we are going to perform another topic, that information communication. We communicate our information through technology. How? There are different type of tools. What is computing tools? Let's see uh, another slide. I would like to continue. In this communication, our chapter 1, unit 1, ICT fundamentals. ICT, abbreviated information and communication technology. As you know earlier, what was the meaning of information? Sharing of information between man to man and man to devices. These both concepts, known as communication. Now we are going to find here what is the role of technology. ICT basically giving us the concept, a set of computing tools. So there is question arising, what is computing? Computing basically, it means you give them input, and after the processing their data of is being input from the user, and after processing it gives you output. As you can know about calculator, where we find out some sort of digits wants to calculate some sort of our operations, and after the processing it gives us output. So some sort of the set of computing tools that collectively allow people, it means there are different functions which makes allow people to interact in the digital world. It means we use information. What the purpose is that to communicate with the technology. So ICT is going to give us some sort of the tools which makes us collectively to interact in the digital world. Digital world with home we to be connect. It means a man where is near to me, then we communicate our without any technology. But where is the people? Those are from away your side, where you can't see, they can't hear you, then you can use digital world to interact with them. So basically, ICT use information and communication technology. Now, ICT used to refer the merging. What is merging? Merging, it means two or three devices or their functions is going to build in a one set of perform their function in a once with their used to refer to the merging telephone networks. Here is question is to arrive. What is telephone networks? It means where we in a one single telephone set we perform calls to the different our neighbors, our relatives, our contacts to share our information and communication. So it means ICT perform their functions to merging to the telephone networks. It perform their function in the telephone networks with computer networks. And how in computer networks? It means where in internet you find many computers are connected with each another, and there is a rule which perform ICT. Basically, that is a fundamental unit that ICT perform their function to the computer networks through a single link system. It means it has a single link which perform their functions and make us able to connect our channel, our device to communicate others, where we can communicate with the help of digital, with the help of our computing tools to the digital world. So in this lecture you learned you need to remember vocabulary and the word meaning digital world, merging telephone networks and computer networks. So this is students, this is my Facebook channel Sarab Malik, and which I will upload this. I mean, I'm going to upload in a YouTube online computer science, and you can find out in these lectures question and exercises in my WhatsApp number. You can contact me at any time, and you can be ready to appear in questions, exams monthly, and after that term exams and weekly exams. So inshallah we will meet in next PPT in another topics. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.